Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas and today we're going to talk about client outreach versus paid users, right? A lot of my viewers have clients or they're looking for clients, but the competition is pretty high, right? Competition is pretty high. There's a lot of people out there, lowballing the bids, meaning that you have a prospect client, but then he says, oh, this other person is charging way less. Let me go with him, right? So there's this scenario where you are searching for clients and you can't get any, or you can get them, but they're very cheap. So there's an alternative called paid users, right? You create paid users, you create an audience and you start getting paid users, right? And this is what I'm doing. This is what I've been doing for the past 6 months, and it's been helping me a lot. I've been actually getting better clients for products that I really love. They come to me, I don't go to them, right? Which is pretty interesting. And I'm also getting paid users based on my niche, which is education, right? And if you guys are interested in learning more about or applying this to your life, I have a link in the description below that links to a personal bootcamp with me, where we can, based on your own situation and your skills, we can find a personalized way for you to start building an audience and start getting paid users and eventually attract clients for yourself. So if you're interested in that, I have a link in the description below with a little discount because you're watching this video, right? So anyways, client outreach versus paid users. Let's get started. Oh, all right. So how it all started for me. Well, I had a full-time job for the past 5 years, maybe. I've had full-time job and freelancing at the same time. So I was, getting a salary, and then some days, some weeks, I would work extra hard to get more money, right? And that was pretty good, but it was, it wasn't for me. I did not like to go to these daily stand-up meetings. I did not like to talk to people that, it wasn't for me. I ended up quitting my full-time job and I started focusing only on freelancing. And it was pretty good. I had some cool clients, or I still have them today. But as you can see here, this line kind of goes like squiggly, because I was, stressed. I had anxiety searching for clients. I would try to pitch people, but yeah, a lot of no responses. I felt that I wasn't really good. I felt that maybe this is not really mine, but that's not true. It is, if you like this, if you like this topic, like Figma or Framer websites, then like me, then it is for you, right? And a lot of people, like I said earlier, lowballing bids, right? So this is kind of how it started. It was like this, up and down. It wasn't static anymore like it was with a full-time job. You were sure that you get a paycheck. In this case, some months would be better, some months wouldn't be better. Some months would be okay, some months would be, really bad. So this was also kind of affecting me in my freelance world, my freelance journey, as you can call it. So, but eventually I started with a YouTube channel. And in this YouTube channel, I started creating digital assets. I started creating templates based off of these digital assets and courses based off of these templates that, came from these digital assets. And that eventually, got a little bit better up in there. I started building an email list. I get daily downloads. I get around, right now, I'm about 5 months in after my YouTube channel, and I get around 20 to 30 downloads a day of my remix links and my paid templates and my course. So that's pretty cool. And I'm growing a community. I have my Discord channel, which you guys are also invited to join, where we basically do live calls every day. I mean, Monday through Friday at around 2 p.m. Eastern time, and I hang out with my community. And yeah, eventually paid users, right? Paid users for my templates, paid users for my course. And yeah, it's growing. And also something that I forgot to add here is actually getting, I'm starting to get inquiries from clients that want to work with me, and I can decide on the budget and all of this, right? So digital assets is the first step of, this financial freedom, you can say, for me at least. Digital assets was the thing that I can do. I could spend maybe 1 or 2 hours a day building, and my strategy was doing this, combining this with YouTube, right? I would make a YouTube video tutorial and then a remix link out of this. So this, for example, is a YouTube video that I posted, I guess, last week, and it is about building the Relume website's hero section. So basically, this hero section right here, whenever it loads, we're gonna see a really cool hero section, this one, right? If I hover over it, there's like a custom cursor, background turns purple, then we have these little images, and it's all responsive. So I added the remix link here to my Lemon Squeezy account, which is also a great way to, start building your email list, getting a Lemon Squeezy account. Before Lemon Squeezy, I was using Gumroad, which is actually easier to set up, but I do like the overall user experience from Lemon Squeezy more because, I can kind of see where the buyer or the downloader is from. I have a better, overview of the analytics. So I ended up switching from Gumroad to Lemon Squeezy. And in Lemon Squeezy, I think I have over 52 total products. Some are paid, some aren't. And for example, here we have different ones. This custom navware, for example, got 59 downloads. These are all for free. These are all like remix links or lead magnets, if you want to call them. Some of them performed very poorly, 2 or 5 or 6, but they're overall all getting downloads, right? This one got 56, so this one got 44, right? So you can start analyzing to see what's actually performing best. So you get this feedback for free, right? You get this analytical feedback to see, what's in demand, what people want to see. And also combining that with Discord, people are invited to join my Discord, and I ask them questions, how's it going, blah, blah, blah. And, with that data, I know what I can build as a paid template. So we have first static templates. So from digital assets to paid templates. And in a paid template, this is more something that is, it's going to cost money, anything from maybe $30 to $100 per template, including the partner affiliate link, which, by the way, looks like this, where you get an overview kind of your referrals, right? This is my Framer affiliate link, and I have 13 people that have created an account using this referral and 2 paid customers, right? And you have this, coupon code that gives them 3 months for free with the pro subscription, which is pretty interesting. So yeah, going back to our presentation, paid template, partner affiliate link, which I just showed you, send to email link, or not email link, email list, is basically, going back to Lemon Squeezy, you start getting sales or downloads from your products, and you get a email list. So I got like 1,318 total sales, and let's say like 600 or 700 of them are actually people with emails. That creates an email list, and once I launch a new template, I can send it directly to their emails. They've already downloaded my remix link, so they kind of know me. And since they downloaded my remix link, I could say, hey, here, you can have some type of discount. And since you're a loyal customer, you can have a discount and buy it at a less price. So going back to here, and also in the remix link, in the Framer remix link, adding a little preview that links to that paid template, right? So, and the next step is advanced templates. So Framer auth templates, for example. Framer auth is actually adds a special step of advanced functionality in your Framer project. And this is something that I actually go deeper into the course that's in the description below. And Framer auth, you can basically add authentication to your website, add in login, sign up. You can add protected pages. You can add, member sites. You can see the overview of your members. You can create courses. It's a really interesting tool. And this is kind of the next step. This is like the advanced step, the advanced templates in my world, right? So we have remix links, we have the static templates, which are like static pages, marketing pages, for example, and then we have these advanced templates. And they're all going towards one niche, right? So you can be like in the construction niche, you can be in the education niche, teaching people how to, build with Framer, how to get clients with Framer. It's something that I'm doing, for example. So you can set up a setup course. Basically, you create your template, and you can have a little course, a video course of how to set up your template. Since it's an advanced template, they need to kind of understand the fundamentals. You can give a coaching call, right? And this template can give them a type of business opportunity, or give their clients a business opportunity, right? So after that, the next step, which is something that I'm also currently building, this is something that's going to be in the near future for me, is a marketplace. You have free assets, you have your free remix links, then you have your static templates, your advanced templates, and you have like extra affiliate links. Let's say that I like to use Frameify, I like to use Frameblocks. There's different types of tools that I like to use. One good example of a marketplace is Toolfolio, which is kind of trendy right now on Twitter, I believe. And Toolfolio is basically a marketplace of different tools, right? And this is something that you can actually build with Framer Auth, and you can learn how to build that with the course that I have in the description below. I actually give you guys a free template with the course for a ebook marketplace. So you can basically build something just like Toolfolio, but it's with ebooks, but you can basically just change it to be something else, right? So that's that. We have that. Let's go back to our Figma presentation. So basically building a marketplace with your assets, with your templates, and with your partners, right? And then after that comes something interesting, bringing organic traffic. So I already have my YouTube traffic is going there, but we need more organic traffic. We need keywords, we need blog posts, we need an informational hub. And something that I really like to compare this with is something from Hostinger, right? I was the other day working in a WordPress project, and there was a white screen of death. And I searched it up in Google, white screen of death, and 7 solutions to fix it. So this is, Hostinger basically has this tutorials informational hub, and you can create something just like that, but for your templates. So let's say that you have a template about some type of educational content. A good example is Framer University. Framer University, if we go to their website, we can kind of see that they have these resources. And when you click on one of these resources, not only do they have the component up here to copy, but they also have the information with keywords. So when people search it in Google, they come here. That's like some type of organic search, right? So that's basically the next step. Organic traffic coming to your marketplace, and people buying every day your stuff. And going back to this overview, I started with the YouTube channel, building these digital assets slowly, and building an email list, getting daily downloads. Eventually, getting this marketplace and getting this organic traffic means more paid users from my niche, and also better clients that come to me. They send me an email saying, "Hey, Lucas, I have this project. I would really like to work with you. Do you have time this week to discuss the scope and the budget?" Right? So that is basically, instead of searching for clients, do something like this. Start creating, start planting your digital garden out there by planting free remix links, and then creating templates and creating educational products, right? That will eventually grow your own personal brand and your own business to something that is needed in the community, needed in this web development world, right? There's a lot of competition out there, and they're all in the same level. But if you do something like this, you're going to be at one level above, right? You're going to be a creator, and you're going to be someone that is in demand. People are going to look for you, and they're going to want to work with you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This is just an overview of what you can do to get customers, get users, paid users, grow your personal brand, and get clients to actually want you, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a nice video. And please, again, if you're interested in doing this journey with me, check out the description below, where you can learn about building with Framer Off and actually starting your personal brand today. So thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.